SyndBuddy 2.0 is a system based on real people syndicating and socially interacting with each other's content, which is 100% natural and the reason that Google eats it up. You can now leverage the power of page 1 rankings via social syndication with no software to install, no software training to learn, no previous SEO knowledge or experience, no social account creation needed, no content needed besides the URL and keywords you want traffic for, no proxies or captchas needed, none of that stuff. Heck, you don't even need to know what social syndication is. All you need to do is, step 1, log in, enter your username and password to log into the web-based portal. Step 2, submit URL, submit any URL you'd like to the sharing pool, so members can start syndicating your content for you. Step 3, hit start and watch your rankings, traffic and profit skyrocket by leveraging the power of their ranking army. SyndBuddy 2.0 features real social bookmarks. Social bookmarks is one of the most powerful types of syndication you can employ in your rankings campaigns. You'll be getting bookmarks from authority sites like Diego, Plurk, KiwiBox, Medium, Skyrock and many more. Real Web 2.0 syndication. You'll also be able to get an army of people posting your content and linking to your sites from all the top Web 2.0 sites like WordPress.com, Tumblr, Blogger, Instapaper, Joomla, and many more. It's like having access to a powerful Web 2.0 private blog network. Real video embeds. SyndBuddy 2.0 is one of the most powerful ways to rank number 1. However, when you add video embedding to the mix, it takes things to a whole other level. And when you add other people embedding your videos on their blogs, that's when things really take off. As part of their Web 2.0 syndication, they've also added the option for you to include a video for them to embed as well. Real Twitter tweets. Now you can get tons of real tweets from an army of people, which will affect your social presence immediately, and I think you guessed it. Your rankings increase. Real Facebook likes and shares. Most people don't know about Google's social algorithm. It places a lot of weight on social media shares when it comes to rankings. When you get hundreds of these shares quickly, you'll get hordes of views with more ease than you ever imagined. Real video views. SyndBuddy 2.0 also comes built in with some powerful video boosting features. You'll be able to get real views to your videos from people all over the world, logged into multiple different accounts, all on different IP addresses. You'll have an army of people just waiting to watch your videos and give them the boost they need. Plus, you also get step-by-step training. Get full training on how to use SyndBuddy's simple dashboard. Even an 8-year-old can run it. Training comes in step-by-step video form. It will literally take you under 60 seconds to create a new campaign. Plus, they will be having multiple live sessions to provide as much training as possible and answer any and all questions. World-class customer support. They have a support team dedicated to answering your questions and helping you use SyndBuddy 2.0 to its fullest potential. Just email at any time, and you'll get a fast, thoughtful response dedicated to you. Full reporting of your campaigns. Not only will you be able to get a ton of shares, likes, bookmarks and syndication, they've also built in a very powerful reporting system, so you'll be able to see exactly the kind of social signals you're getting, and for social shares, you'll be able to see exact URLs of where your content is being posted. Weekly email updates of your syndications. They understand that your time is valuable, which is why they made SyndBuddy 2.0 as hands-free as possible. They'll even email you a summary every week of all this syndication that has happened for your campaigns. Limited time, no monthly fees. Grab your SyndBuddy 2.0 license right now during the grand opening period and pay no monthly fees. After the grand opening expires, monthly pricing will come into effect. What SyndBuddy 2.0 can do for you? You can submit any URL. It can be a video, a niche site, an Amazon page, a client site, a client Google local listing URL, an e-commerce store, anything. SyndBuddy 2.0 is 100% done for you, so zero work is required on your part once you submit the URL you want traffic for. Our army will get to work for you ASAP. You can supply the content if you'd like that will go along with your campaigns into the sharing pool. This is 100% optional. You can let SyndBuddy 2.0 generate the content for your campaigns for you in a matter of a few mouse clicks, so you can create new campaigns in 60 seconds or less. With SyndBuddy 2.0, you'll have full access to your syndication report once it's been completed. Added one-click auto sharing so everyone is guaranteed to get real shares from fellow members. Added one-click account creation via SyndCreator, so you can easily set up new accounts to share other members' content if you choose to do so. Added one-click content creation, so you can add new videos or niche sites to the sharing pool in under 60 seconds. And much more. They have a whole section and video covering what's new in 2.0. Pros and cons. Pros: cloud-based platform. Passive recurring income for real. Boost in free and organic traffic. High speed and massive social exposure. Compatibility with all niches. Cons: quite tough to scale, but you won't need to scale whatsoever.